Anna should be here now. I don't see her. No message. My heart feels tight. Anna, where are you? Sweetheart. Okay, breathe. I will look inside. Hello, is anyone still here? Music room. Please be there.
A curtain moves softly in the quiet hall.
Anna, it's Mom. I'm coming in.
My hands won't stop shaking.
Anna, I found you.
Mom, I didn't know where to go.
You're not alone.
I felt so small. I didn't want anyone to see me cry.
Take my hand.
Okay, please don't leave.
Warm sunlight touches the quiet room.
I feel broken inside.
I'm here with you.
That helps a little.
Let's stand up together.
Slowly, I'm scared.
Lean on me.
Okay, I trust you. I feel like I disappeared.
You are still here.
I want to believe that.
The car is ready. Let's go.
Everything outside feels far away.
You don't need to talk.
Thank you, Mom.
The house waits quietly in the dark.
We're home now.
It feels warm, but heavy.
Take off your bag.
My shoulders hurt.
Worry stays, even inside the house. Dinner sits untouched on the table.
I'm not hungry tonight.
That's okay. I understand. Something hurt you today.
Yes, very much. I want to be alone. Please, just for a bit.
Stuffed animals watch in silence.
I tried so hard.
A school show poster hangs on the wall. The lead role shines too brightly.
I can't look at this.
Anna, may I come in? I won't push you.
Okay, you can sit.
We can be quiet.
That feels safe. My eyes burn.
Cry if you need.
I want to, but I'm tired.
You are not weak. Sit close to me.
I don't want to be alone.
Tomorrow is one step.
One step is enough. I still feel scared.
A night light glows softly.
Sleep now.
Will you stay? What if I disappear again? I'm breathing slowly.
The alarm calls a new day.
I don't feel ready.
Let the light in.
Sunlight fills the room.
Okay, I will try.
The hallway fills with rushing feet.
Everyone is so fast.
Laughter echoes loudly.
I feel out of place.
Warm-up begins in the classroom.
Focus your body and breath.
I'll stay in the back.
The center space waits.
That space scares me. Breathe in, breathe out.
You're still here, Anna.
Yes, I am.
The bell rings loudly.
I feel alone again.
I'm waiting for you. I'm here.
Thank you for waiting. When I see you, I feel safe.
Let's walk home.
Okay.
Look at that shop.
The dresses are glowing.
Fabric shines behind glass.
That dress looks like light.
You like it?
Very much.
I have something to show you. This was mine.
Really? It feels special.
The dress catches the light.
It shines when you move.
Like me? I want to try again. Tomorrow, I won't hide.
Taube continued.